Hello world! So today I'm gonna teach you how to make your photos have transparent background using only PowerPoint in just a few seconds. Yes, you heard it right. No need for you to open Photoshop, not all knows Photoshop, or visit Canva which needs internet connection. So this works well especially if you have an e-signature for an online document, especially that we are under the new normal. So let's go! So there are two ways on how you can make your picture have transparent background by only using PowerPoint. So I'm gonna walk you through the two options. Now, first option. So earlier, I made up my own fake signature on a blank piece of paper, took a photo of it using my phone, but you have the option to scan it if you have a scanner. Now I transferred the photo here. Now I'm gonna copy the photograph signature. Now go to the picture format, that is the last tab or last ribbon in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Now select color, then select set transparent color. Now choose the area that you want it transparent. So in this case, of course, it's the white background. So just select the area and you have now your transparent background photo. Right click on it and choose save as picture. And don't forget to save it as portable network graphics format because in this format, it supports transparency. So, signature. And that's it. Now, the second one is I have a portrait photo of mine in, again, white background. I'm gonna paste it. Next, in the same tab or ribbon, select remove background. Now, click on mark areas that you want to remove, but drag first the areas that you want to include in the picture. Once again, click mark areas to remove. So you can see here there are still areas that have white background. So you just have to select on it, then keep changes. So you now have transparent. So once again, um, right click, save as picture, and once again choose PNG. So portrait. Now you can make stunning posters or other items with this transparent background, just like this one. So that's it. Thank you very much, and if you find this video informative, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.